Hello everyone. Today's video lecture I will start the extrusion process. Extrusion process is a metal forming process. What is meant by metal forming process already we discussed. Metal forming process in which the desired shape and size of the component is obtained through a plastic deformation of the metal. In simple words, the component is formed without removing the material from it. By applying some forces on the component, we get the desired shape of the that product. So this is comes under in manufacturing science. So already we discussed about the manufacturing engineering. Nothing but materials are converted into finished products through a different manufacturing processes. Different manufacturing processes are again number of processes are there. It may be casting process, it may be machining process, it may be welding or joining process, it may be metal forming process. In metal forming process, we have the one more process, that is extrusion process. In this lecture, we discussed about the what is meant by extrusion process and classification of extrusion process. First we see what is meant by extrusion process. Extrusion is a bulk forming process in which the work metal is forced or compressed to flow through a die hole to produce a desired cross-sectional shape. See, a block or metal, which is called as a billet, is reduced in cross-section by forcing it through a die or desired cross-section under high pressure. Here we use the force, a compressed force is used to press the metal. A simple example of this extrusion process is whatever early morning we using the toothpaste, a squeezing toothpaste from a toothpaste tube. A wide variety of solid or hollow cross sections may be produced by using extrusion process. This is the definition of extrusion process. Once again, extrusion is a process in which a metal that called as the billet is reduced in cross section by forcing it to flow through a die for desired cross section under high pressure. See, the extrusion can be carried out in either hot or cold conditions. However, most metals are hot extruded due to large amount of forces required for extrusion. Large deformations can take place without fracture because the material is under high triaxial compression. Here we are using compression force. Since the die geometry remains unchanged throughout the operation, extruded product typically have a constant cross sections. So the die design is depending on the shape of the object we want. So already discussed, is a manufacturing process in which a block of metal enclosed in a container is forced to flow through the opening of a die. The metal is subjected to plastic deformation. As I already told, in metal forming deformation, desired shape and size of the component is obtained through a plastic deformation of the metal. Extrusion process is used for manufacturing a long and straight metal parts. It's mainly used for the producing the long and straight metal parts. The shape of the cross sections can be solid, round, rectangular, T shapes, L shapes, and tubes. Extrusion is done by squeezing the metal in a die by using mechanical or hydraulic press. See in detail we see in the next slide how squeezing the metal in a die by using mechanical and hydraulic press takes place. See here. 2D diagram of the extrusion process. So surrounding we have the cylindrical container. Inside this we have the work billet, that is hot metal, and here we have the ram. Ram is used to applying the force. This is small velocity applied to the ram, and F is the force applied to the ram. See here we have the die structures. These dies are located to the container, and the shape of the die is depending on the shape of the product we want. When the force is applied through a ram to the hot billet, metal is extruded through a die. If you see in the cross-sectional view, this is our container, a blue color. Inside we have the billet. Through a pressing ram, a billet is forcing. After that, through a die, the material comes outside with the desired shape of the object. It's a circular object showing in the figure. If you see in 2D diagram, it looks like a container. In that we have the billet material. This is forces from the ram. After that, the cross section of this billet is reduced. Finally we get the desired product. Same we discussed here. It is also called as the direct extrusion. We see later the types of the extrusion process, direct or indirect extrusion process. Hope all of you understood the meaning of extrusion process. Next we see the classifications of extrusion process. So mainly extrusion are divided by 3 categories: by direction of the process, by operating temperature, by equipments. Extrusion by direction, we have the direct extrusion process, or is also called as the forward extrusion process. One more is indirect or backward extrusion process. With reference to the direction, we divide into 2 types: by operating temperature, hot working conditions and cold working conditions. Already we discussed about the hot working metal forming. It takes place a working temperature above the recrystallization temperature, that we call as the hot working temperature. If the metal working takes place below the recrystallization or within the room temperature, that we call as the cold metal working process. By equipments, using by equipments extrusion, horizontal extrusion process and vertical extrusion process. This is all about the classifications of extrusion process. The next video lecture we see the extrusion by direction process, that is direct and indirect extrusion process. Thank you.